Hello, I'm Cici Krisnawan, and in this occasion, I would like to tell you about classification of words. The first is simple word. A simple word is the basic word from with nothing added to it. A word such as active has a meaning of its own and has not been altered in any way. Now, for the word active, a simple word, to become complex, you would add an affix. The example is oops, just, pistachio, interactive, and overactive. Simple words are words that can have one or more syllables. But in this case of a multisyllable word, the meaning of the word is not related to the meaning of any syllable, because they do not contain any part of the basis of which their meaning can be predicted. By contrast, breaking and punishing are at least partly idiosyncratic, so that a good dictionary would need to list them, like interactive, actively, and overactive. And the next is compound word. Compound words, according to Roach, are words made up of two words and both of them can exist independently as English words, and they are written in different ways. Sometimes they are written as one word. For example, armchair. Sometimes they are written as a word separated by a hyphen, such as gear chain, and also written in another way, two words separated by a space, for example, desk, lamp. When two words are used together to yield a new meaning, a compound is formed. Compound words can be written in three ways, as open compounds, or spelled as two words, the example ice cream, closed compounds, or joined to form a single word, the example dark noob, or 15 hyphenate compounds, or two words joined by a hyphen, the example long term. Sometimes more than two words can form a compound, the example mother-in-law. A compound word is a combination of two simple words. Differing from the complex word, the compound word does not acquire its definition from the addition of affixes. In the case of compound words, the union of the two simple words bring out an altogether different meaning than the words do in their original form. The example of compound words are bedroom, basketball. Compound words, or compounds, are created by joining free morphemes together. Remember that a free morpheme is a morpheme that can stand alone as its own word, or unlike bound morphemes. I have some example in here, like lovely, remembered, reorganization, and pretest. Compounds are a fun and accessible way to introduce the idea that words can have multiple parts or morphemes. Teacher can highlight that these compound words are made up of two separate words joined together to make a new word. For example, dog plus house become doghouse. And